Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand dryer and you're getting on the display or via the lights if you don't have a digital display, you're getting an E11 error and you're wondering what this error is and how can you get rid of it. So first of all, what is it? So the E11 error is and the control board, the electronic control board is having a communication error with the rest of the dryer. So there's really a kind of a two-step process to fixing this. The first step is just to do a hard reset on your dryer, which is to turn it off and disconnect it from power completely for at least 5 minutes to clear out the error, reset the control board, and then turn the dryer back on. If the error persists after the dryer has been hard reset like that, the next thing to do is to replace the control board, which is a moderately hard thing to do. You can probably do it, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to an actual specific tutorial on specifically replacing the control board, which will fix the problem.